great time to show you some app tricks that are on another level. Like, I bet you didn't know you can track your friends with Google Maps. This is an insanely cool feature, and it's actually really simple. You just click on your profile picture within Google Maps, then select location sharing, and here's where you can see all the people you currently track, where they are and what they're up to. And you can pretty much track just about anyone so long as they have Google Maps and they need to give you permission. So on a friend or family member's phone, what you need to do is click on their profile picture, tap on location sharing, then click on new share. Right over here is where you'll put in your email address, and make sure to toggle this on, which will basically keep the tracking on permanently. Click the share button and now you can see their location. So for tracking family and friends, I mean, that's pretty nifty. So WhatsApp is basically the most popular chat app in the world, but there is something else you can do with it other than chatting, and here's what you do. Once you've opened up WhatsApp, you're going to head on over to the settings section and create a new group. Quickly add someone to the group like a friend or family member, and then name the group Transfer Files. You can customize the icon to just about anything you want, but once the group is created, head back into the settings, except now you're going to remove that person you just added. So essentially what you have is an empty group chat with only you in it. Now that you've created your Transfer Files group, well, you can start transferring hundreds of files from your computer to your phone or vice versa. You literally just open up and attach whatever it is you want to send in that private Transfer Files group and then click send. This is by far one of the easiest and fastest ways to transfer files between your devices. So all your media and document files, no matter what it is, there is no limit. You just quickly share your files over your own private transfer group. I mean, next level. As you guys know, most alarm sounds built in on your phone sound pretty horrendous. But did you know you can actually stream music? I cannot believe I didn't know this sooner, but basically what you do is set an alarm, and under alarm sound you'll see the option Spotify. If you tap on that, you can then go and search for absolutely any song you want to wake up to, like this latest one from Adele for example, and once you tap on it, that is now your new alarm tone. This even works on Google Clock, and for my iPhone users, same applies. If you go into the alarm settings and click on sound, then tap on pick a song, it'll take you over to Apple Music, and once again you can search for any song your heart desires. Now, you can actually protect all your super important documents, passwords, and other information on your phone with an app you already have. Now, there are similar ways to do this on both Android and iPhone, but what you do is open up the Notes application and save whatever important information it is you want to keep secret. Like for me, it's a scan of my passport. Once that's done, you head on over to the settings and click this little lock icon. Then you can create a PIN code or use biometrics like Face ID and fingerprint lock for Android. And now your documents are safe and secure, so as long as you remember that secret passcode, you can access your private notes anytime. So whether it's passport scans, your birth certificate, banking details, or whatever, make sure you lock them up with a password. Now, here's something you have probably never thought of, and that is to use the Instagram application as an editor. So if you head into Instagram stories, as you know, there are so many different filters and effects to choose from that you can just add your own image and completely customize the look of it just like this. Then all you need to do once you're done editing and customizing your picture is click the save button, where it'll export the image right to your gallery that you can access forever. So think about it. Now that it's actually saved on my phone, that means I can publish it anywhere. Doesn't have to be Instagram. The exact same also goes for Instagram Reels. Once you head into the Reels section, you can select a whole bunch of different pictures and videos and use this like a full-blown editor. You can cut, replace, and reorder all your clips, then even add different filters or effects like you did with the photo, and there are literally hundreds of thousands of different ones to choose from. Let's not forget, you can also add text and even keyframe that text, as well as GIFs or stickers. So the options are pretty pretty much endless, and once you're happy with your video, you can just click that download button. It'll save straight to your gallery, and again, decide wherever it is you want to publish this. It doesn't have to be Instagram. And even though you do get a lot of free editing apps out there, most of them don't come with these really cool effects and presets like Instagram does. So this is a really nifty app trick if you have an extra phone, and what you're going to do is make sure they can both connect over Skype. Then using the extra phone, if you click on this little top icon and head on over to the settings section, make sure you tap on calling, and once in here, toggle on both these options to automatically answer the call and start the video. Then what you do is lock the phone and place it anywhere you want a view of. Plug in the charger and you're good to go. So now using your main phone, you can just remotely tap into the camera all the time. And you do that just by simply video calling your extra phone. Because you set it on automatic answering and opening video, straight away you'll see the video feed from the other phone and can keep a sharp eye on things. It's a damn good app trick to use for like a baby monitor, home security, or checking out your stuff, and it's free. Now here is another application you can use in a way that you've probably never thought of. If you open up Google Docs and create a new document, you can label this as a secret chat. From there, you just click on the create button so you have a new document, but then what you're going to do is click on those three dots and tap on share and export. In here, you can then click the share button again. Now you can share this document with any one of your friends by typing in their email and clicking that send button. Then your friend receives an email to join your Google Doc, and now you can start chatting. Straight away, you'll see when and also what your friend is typing, and this is just a really cool little sneaky way to have a private conversation somewhere other than your usual chat applications like WhatsApp or iMessage. Now, what if I told you you could save every single one of your pictures and videos onto an online hard drive for free and never lose them with an app you probably use every single day? And that application is Facebook. In Facebook, under your status section, you can type out a simple description of the pictures you want to upload or videos, then click on the photo icon and start uploading all the pictures and videos you want to privately save online. Then this is the important part. Under this friends section, make sure you toggle on only me. That way, no one else will ever be able to see your pictures. Create the album that you want these pictures to go in and name the album, and once again, make sure that this album is set to only me. Finally, once all of that is done, you can click the save button and upload all those pictures and videos. To access them again in future, just go to your profile, scroll down, and right over here, you'll see this photo option and download your media. So that's amazing, but if you don't have Facebook, you can also use YouTube and save all your videos to private. The crazy thing is there is no limit as to how much you can upload. Everything is completely private and of course free. Heading back to Google Docs, and this is definitely a favorite of mine. If you ever have to type out a super important document, letter, or even email, make sure you check it out in Google Docs first, because these blue and red lines show any grammar or spelling errors. If you click on any one of the lines, it'll show you what the correct grammar should be or the correct spelling, and you can literally just tap the option right above to correct it. This is insanely useful for people like me who are maybe a bit bad at spelling, or even students. Not only that, you can also use Google Docs for a word and character count. Nifty. So now you know some epic app tricks on another level. Definitely check out these videos right over here, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!